Today I'm going to show you how to solve systems of equations by using the substitution method. When you use the substitution method, you need to have one of the variables by itself, x or y. So in this example here, the y is by itself. So we are going to substitute in, I like to put parentheses around it, 2x minus 4 in for the y. So the second equation now looks like this: 7x minus 2 parenthesis. Now I'm going to plug all of the top part in for y. So 2x minus 4 goes in parentheses equals 5. So now we just eliminated the y variable. So we're just left with x's. So now I'm going to distribute and solve for x. So 7x minus 4x plus 8 equals 5. Combine my like terms. So I have 3x plus 8 equals 5. Now I have a simple two-step equation. Minus 8 minus 8. So 3x equals negative 3. So 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. So x equals negative 1. So to find what the y value is, we just substitute in negative 1 into the first equation, which would be the easier equation. You could substitute in for either equation, but the top one would be easier. So now, if I do 2 times negative 1 minus 4, what does y equal? Well, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Minus 4 equals y. So negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6 equals y. So my solution would be negative 1 comma negative 6. Remember my x value and my y value. So in this example, we have both of them equal to y. So we are going to have them equal to each other. Oops. So I need the parentheses around that, and that goes in for the y. So it's going to be 2x plus 3 is going to equal 5x. Now I have a simple two-step equation. So minus 2x, and 3 equals 3x. So x equals 1. So now once you have x equal to 1, we plug it in. Either one, you plug it in. Let's do it on the bottom. 5 times 1 is 5. So my y equals 5. So a way to write my ordered pair would be 1 comma 5. It would work in both. So we put the 1 in for the x. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So it works in both equations. For this example, we have x equals by itself. So we are going to plug all of this in for the x value this time. So we're going to 2 parenthesis 5y plus 3 close a parenthesis plus 4y equals negative 1. And then we're going to distribute. So when we distribute, I get 10y plus 6 plus 4y equals negative 1. Combine my like terms. So I have 14y plus 6 equals negative 1. Minus 6, so 14y. I'm going to move it over here. 14y equals negative 7 divided by 14 divided by 14. So it's negative 7/14 is negative 1/2. So y equals negative 1/2. So now it's going to plug in negative 1/2 in for the y for the first equation. So 5 times negative 1/2 is 2.5. Then we have negative 2.5 plus 3 equals 1/2. So x equals 1/2. Y equals negative 1/2. So when I write that, it's 1/2 comma negative 1/2. Okay, so here we have a word problem. You buy a total of 50 turkey burgers and veggie burgers for $90. You pay $2 per turkey burger and $1.50 per veggie burger. Write and solve a system of linear equations to find the number of turkey burgers and the number of veggie burgers you buy. So we're going to have x equals the turkey burgers. I like to define my variables first. And the y is going to equal the veggie. So we know that we have 50 turkey burgers and veggie burgers. So that's going to be the first equation. X plus y equals 50. The second part is going to be the money. We know it's $2 per turkey burger and $1.50 per veggie burger. And we know we spent $90. So now we have to get from the top equation the x or y by itself. I'm going to get x by itself, so I do minus y. So x equals 50 minus y. So now we're going to plug all of this into our x. So now I have 2 parentheses, 50 minus y, close the parenthesis, plus 1.5y equals 90. So now we distribute. I'm just going to erase up top so I can move part of my equation here. So I'm going to 2 times 50 is 100 minus 2y plus 1.5y equals 90. Now I need to combine my like terms. Negative 2 plus 1.5 is negative half. So 100 minus 0.5y equals 90. Then we're going to subtract 100. 90 minus 100 is negative 10 divided by negative 0.5. So y equals 20. So now I just plug in for my first equation. We had x plus y equals 50. Here it is. It's hidden there. So if y is 20, x has to be 30. So that means your x represents your turkey burgers, so you need to buy 30 turkey burgers and 20 veggie burgers. I hope this video has helped you understand using substitution when solving systems.